Hello friends, welcome to my channel again. In this video I'll show you how to use the speech to text component in sketchware. You can use it in making good types of apps. So let's start. Naming the app speech to text for a decoration. Here you see my apps package here is created. At first I'm going to component and creating a component speech to text. Then we have to click here and click here, and then we have to give a component here, view, then text view set text. Now we have to create a text view here. At first here is the button, and then here is a text view, and then what we have to do is to go to where and give it text view 1, set text the result. On speech error we have to give a toast that will say as you want that I'm giving speak correctly. Here you see. After that we have to go to view and click here, and then we have to go to component and give this code. You will be glad to know that all is created. Now you can give another button here to stop listening. Here. Here you see I'm giving stop listening. The app is created. Now I'm running it. I'm installing the app. Now at first I have to allow, and then you should know that if I use this component it will not work, as my mobile screen recording is working, but if I off it the app will work well. You can take my 100% surety of this work, but I am trying though. Hello, here you see nothing is watching. Hello, here you see, but if I turn off the screen recording it will work. So thank you. If you have any problem, please give a comment and subscribe my channel to get more videos of sketchware tutorials.